This is Michael Hill reporting for Superbike News TV here at Monza for the fourth round of the 2012 World Supersport Championship. I'm joined now by Russian rider Vladimir Leonov, who made history at Assen 2 weeks ago by becoming the first Russian rider in World Supersport Championship racing to take a podium. So, first of all, Vladimir, it's the first time that we've spoken to you this season, or in fact at all. But before we start the interview, congratulations on taking that podium. Must have been a great feeling and a great satisfaction for you and the whole of the Yaknich Motorsport team in Assen 2 weeks ago.
Yeah, this podium was so funny, and for all team, I think for all Russian fans. And now it's a little bit more difficult because now it's not rain, and working for the dry condition is more difficult also for engine, for everything. And this track is most difficult because long straight, and after slow corners it's not easy to find a good balance for the bike.
You mentioned it's more difficult because there's no rain, but this season you've been very consistent. You know, you're well now inside the top 10 quite easily in the championship. So moving forward through the season, you must be confident that whether it's wet or dry, that you could repeat that podium success that you had in Holland 2 weeks ago.
Yeah, we tried to repeat this, go to the podium again, but it's not so easy because this is the first season on this championship. And yeah, I stay at the top 10 or a little bit up, but not so easy. And also, I hope we find it for Donington or for next round more better setup also for engine, for all the bike, because now we work step by step. Every race, bike coming a little bit up some parts of the bike, but it's not so fast, and I hope we'll be more better.
You last year raced in the Italian Championship again with some pretty good success, but as you said, you're making your debut in the World Championship this year, contesting the whole season. There's a lot of circuits that you haven't been to. So you mentioned Donington next. How do you go around learning the circuits? Do you do what a lot of the junior riders maybe do and play on the PlayStation or the Xbox, or how do you learn the circuits?
Yeah, sure. I play in Xbox. I have also MotoGP and World Superbike games, but I know not every Italian circuit, but also for European. I know Donington even. I was in 2007. Also in 2007. I don't remember. MotoGP is not done yet. Yeah, I know this circuit, but it's so funny also and fast. But I think it's more problem in the rain because also the airport is near the track.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, a lot of plane goes directly across the track, and it's a lot of I think fuel or something is most slippery.
Yeah, but you're fast in the rain, so a little bit of grease or something is no problem from the airport. I don't think.
Yeah, I prefer the rain because I was riding motocross, and for me a little bit more easy stay in the rain condition because more sliding and different feeling completely, because in dry condition everything is more fast. You know, you just lose, I don't know, 3/10 for open the gas, you already lose, I don't know, maybe 2 meters on the straight. You know, in the rain it's a little bit more or less for that. You can open a little bit later, but more quicker, and brake is different. And sure, before I was love more rain, because in dry I was too slow, you know. Okay. Because also even bike was not ready. Me too. But now I want riding more in dry condition because I see how the bike coming up for that, and me also learn many things, and I want to improve that. Sure, now I want more dry condition for develop the bike and for improve myself for that. For stay in the same position, not the same, but like the same in the dry condition, stay on the top
No problem. And just finally, Vladimir, I want to talk to you a little bit about racing in your home country in Russia. There's a big following for motorsport in Russia, and I'm sure you're picking this up on camera. We're actually going to the Moscow Raceway in August this year. That must be a very special feeling for you, not only to be making your debut in the championship as a rider, but the fact that your host country, Russia, will be hosting a round of the championship. It must be very special for you going there in August.
So I think for all Russian, this weekend will be so interesting and like new, because in Russian this is will be first race, first world championship, and the road racing game. But what about me? I think I tried to stay more quiet and don't think if it's this is my country, and stay more nervous and after lose everything. No, I try to do more, to stay more quiet and use this weekend like normal weekend, because in other case it's possible to lose everything, because you start to nervous and think, every Russian fans look at me, and go away and lose everything. I try to do different way, but sure, for me it's so bad, so interesting, because if in this round I think comes more people who cannot go in other circuit, and maybe it will be so good. I don't know.
Excellent. Well, I'm sure that when we get to Russia, it will be an interesting weekend, and I'm sure that you'll have a great amount of supporters. Thank you for taking some time out. I know you've just literally finished 3 practice sessions, so we'll let you carry on your debrief with the team. But good luck for the rest of the weekend, and again, congratulations on the podium in Assen.
Thank you so much.
Thanks.
See you.